Cost for Portland Public Schools construction projects keeps going up.
Our investigative reporter Gabrielle Carroll learned this afternoon the estimate has now grown by almost 25%, $190 million over budget. She joins us now.
Well, at $790 million, the bond passed in 2017 was already the largest bond in Oregon schools' history. And we've obtained records that show that polls paid for by Portland Public Schools guided the district toward a smaller bond proposal, even while construction consultants warned the estimates were too aggressive. Portland Public Schools paid for polling on the bond proposal. Poll results showed that both a $750 million bond and an $850 million bond would receive support, but the larger bond would be a tougher sell. An email sent from the polling company said the smaller bond seems much more winnable and would be our initial recommendation for moving forward. Ultimately, the bond was set slightly higher at $790 million, but that's far lower than the estimates coming in today.
Since I wasn't on the board at the time, I can't speak to what the decision-making process was.
Julia Brim-Edwards joined the district school board after the bond was passed. She says it's important to understand how the district arrived at its numbers.
A continued look and review absolutely is needed. However, and then we need to take the learnings from that and have it inform the work going forward.
Emails obtained by Coin 6 show an outside consultant warned district officials in January 2017 that the estimated budgets were, quote, too lean. Bond critic Rob Johns, a Benson Tech alum, says voters were deeply misled on the bond.
And you have to say to yourself, were there lies? Is this voter fraud?
We're still pushing for more answers on this process. We did hear from the district. They said they're committed to making those project upgrades, but they did not answer many of the questions we asked specifically. We'll continue updating this story online and on air, but check out all the details at coin.com. Back to you.
Voters certainly deserve answers to these questions.